Good morning, friends. Shirish, I am trying to give you my methodology when I have to give a very quick response to things like this. And please consider this as a reference point for further discussion. And I think something mature will come out from the respectable member also. And see, as you ask about, it's a bearish tone, right? So first of all, if I am thinking of it for the positional aspect, then right now I am on the weekly time frame, and you can see that there are few trend lines where I think marked them on this price action, and here you can see that it is, at least we can see at around October 21st, and here again on October 23rd. There are two stop, and they are very far away from each other, but on the valuation side they are going to be very important, which we have to understand through some of the fundamentals, right? So number one point is this, that there are two top, and I think something was here also, we can say, which was more, I think, dominating, but again price tried to reach to the same level. It's number one. Number two, on the larger aspect, I think those are trying to keep up themselves, I think, on the upper side. So we can say that still the tone is slight bullish. But as you can say about the higher at the tops, they are not very consistent to give us a desired direction. And then for the labeling, and I think I tried here with the Fibonacci, and here the retracement is still above 0.5. So that is, I think, a very good conviction to us that price is still trying to find its own territory through the good fundamentals, but still this, I think, particular stock is not into that domain where we can say that it's lost all its credential, that we can say that it is in the, I think, bad shape. So we have to find that whatever point is here, and which is around 6625, somewhere around that. So is it again area where it is trying to pierce the support, or it will again will find its room for the upward journey, right? So this is my methodology, and again I am going to watch it on the daily time frame, where my support and resistance, which I plotted through one of the indicator, is going to be more, we can say, appropriate to judge a specific price movement, we say price projection. So here we can understand that the price has reached here, and there is again a very strong support area, which is, we can say, 6500, and that is reflecting on, we can say, on the option chain of this month and the 4 month also. So number one point is going to be that one. Then if ATR is going to be a very specific tool for measurement of stop losses, then why don't we use calculation area? And here my setting is on the 1.5 ATR, and here you can say that I think within this week it is I think passing below the lower boundary. So that is a very impactful thing, that price is consistently going down and breaking two of its support. And right now we are going to find a very strong support or a rejection from this particular candle, right? So accordingly, if we trust on the mean regression theory, then we have to understand that we can find some of the hold here. But the trend line from a higher frame and support over here, which is, I think, is somewhere related this area with the 0.786 retracement from the Fibonacci aspect also. So still 0.6 is far away from here, but the crucial thing is here that this trend line and this particular support area, which is 6500, and same is reflecting on the option chain. It is very crucial area. If price is going to pierce this, then definitely there is going to be a further movement downwards, and which can be 6000. But right now, what I can think of, that we have to observe the price for next 1 or 2 days over here, and I'm sure that price will trying to come back to this particular level, which is 6750 or 67, around that, and which is again a crucial resistance area from the Fibonacci aspect from the higher field. So definitely to go up, it is going to pass through two of the major, I think, resistance from the two different frames, right? But if it is going to cross this particular cross section or intersection of this support on a day time frame and the trend line from the weekly time frame, then definitely it will fall, and you have to then observe 6300 as the next area. We will try to, I think, give some understanding on its fundamentals. So again, the industry PE is 22.4 and 29.7 is the stock PE. And I know we have two very mature person in the group which are more aware of all these things, and definitely I will like that at least they can record their audio and can put into the group. And other than that, the fundamentally, this Patrick score is 4.0, which is not good. And other than its CAGR and other things are very good. And that is also reflecting over here. Market cap is there. Stock is very expensive one also, but position it is very different story. But since we are dealing with mean regression theory, but what is from the fundamental side? It's price to earning. I'm not using PAG here, but price to earning, if we say, then you can observe that from the few, I think, you can say the March 23rd till now, it is passing through its, I think, lowest area in the price to earning. So that is definitely connected to some of its fundamental. And right now it is about, it is a bit expensive. And if it is not performing well, then that is a different story. And you can find and again, you can find out your own, I think, observation from this site also. And few of the data is also lying over here in which we can observe cash flow also. So operating activity, you can find that continuously it is right now on March 23rd, it is more, and cash from financing activity, it is also more. So I think net cash flow is little bit negative. So these are the things which we have to observe. And I think right now that if we have to understand the sector also, then we can observe that if sector is going to perform, then what is going to be the contribution of this particular stock. So then according to that related system, we have to understand that thing only. But we here try to go with the bottom-up approach. So I will like more from the fundamental side from our respected member, and then we can, I think, make some of the system to observe to declare something on this particular stock. I tried my best, and I think I will find more from you guys also. Thank you very much. Have a nice trading day.